bring both these teams on the mat. Sanjay Rajendran is already there, but what does the team look? This match is Navneet. Navneet. Yoganandan Senthil Velan as Dhanashree gives the go-ahead for PK Sports to begin the proceedings. Yes, as expected, Yoganandan Senthil Velan will come in for the first trade. And up against Nawaz Hamid. He's a very strong right corner, mind you. Nawaz Hamid. He'll also guard the left corner. See what he does. On that right corner, Navneet, did you see? He raises his left hand and says, wait up. Vikramasinghe Anbu, don't attack him. And also, I think he...
श्री रामास्वामी मेमोरियल, जी हाँ, 2 पे है. और पीके स्पोर्ट्स, क्या आप पीके स्पोर्ट्स का भी फुल फॉर्म बताना चाहेंगे नवीन?
I knew he was into the lobby. Yeah, that's a problem. PK Sports, Jayant Jaishankar does not attack Nawaz Hamid. But I think, Navneet, you are ready with that. I think you are ready with PK Sports.
No,
Go for it.
I am not.
No?
I am not. I thought you will be knowing because you hail from that land.
Correct. Lekin, yeah, PK Sports is something that he's been very famously known for. But yeah, ankle hold, Daridharan Kandasamy in a do-or-die raid. And look at that aggression. Stands for 1K maybe for Mr. Kalidasan, who's associated with the team for 4 years. He's the visionary man behind, starting this club. The K can be done. But in a do-or-die raid, Sanjay Rajendran, the premium raider of SRM, has come across. Bonus attempted and a diving ankle hold from that left-in defender. Good work by Gopal Prabhakaran. Yeah, see, not specifically for sports.
No, I am saying IIB, Indian Institute of Broadcasting.
Wow, let's register that. Come on, let's definitely register that. Indian Institute of Broadcast for Sports, IIBS maybe. As Daridharan Kandasamy today, he said, Coach, doing something for sports. And when you have billions of rupees running on sports today, I mean, so much to show for the media rights, for so much money going in producing such sporting events and activities. Kick, very nice kick on the running kick by Srinath on that right corner again.
Number 22 out.
Yeah, see, not just for commentators, for cameramen, and of course people also watching this live sport should know there is so much unknown hands that goes in as Prashant Raman goes out on the bench for a while. Navneet, after this do-or-die raid.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल 8 और 5 का स्कोर है. डू और डाई रेट अभिषेक जीवन. और मैं कल शायद आयुष मेरे साथ थे. मैं उन्हें बता रहा था कि मेरे 2 मित्र हैं, एक का नाम अभिषेक है, दूसरे का नाम जीवन है. और यहाँ पर अभिषेक जीवन एक ही, there's only one person, Abhishek Jeevan.
Yeah, correct. And then he's made sure that one person is enough to kick out Nawaz. Brilliant running kick, that's so tough. You have to balance your body, then you'll have to make sure your right leg does the job, rather the stronger leg, whether it is right or left. Yeah, that's very well done. Girivelan, okay, he's not Girivelan Ayyappan, I'm sorry, he's Girivelan Angappan. And he's been dashed off. Small little pause in the turn and escape. Gopalan Prabhakaran says, so, whatever Arivalgan Ayya told was, just don't give away extra points because we will be pushed to the all-out. Go out there, try the bonus in the raiding department, and when the other raider comes in, don't attack him. Oh, come on, Abhishek Jeevan. Slow on the footwork, not strong at all, and that gave the opportunity for Pragati's after the T20 World Cup. Rahul Dravid finishes his tenure. After that, there will be a search for a new coach as Girivelan Angappan comes in for the do-or-die raid. And he escapes. He anticipates the attack that's coming in from that right corner. Gautam Kumaravel, I think, was very early going to stop Giri, and he escaped using his legs. Good escape. Very nicely done by Girivelan. Right, so I'll tell you why that age factor is. Yeah, correct. Yeah, unfortunately, Panni Allu Arjun has been booked under a case for violating the election norms. And a falling hand touch has now been nullified.
Raider out.
Ranjit
1
Shanmugam
point
can't
SRM
escape.
University.
Left corner comes across, blocks it. All right. I mean, if he had thought at not 21, at least 31 or 32, it's a Woody's Goody super tackle.
Super tackle.
And that's a very
2
nice
points
way
PK
to go
score.
ahead and do it. Oh, hang on, hang on. I think there's an injury concern here for Gopal Pravakaran. The attempt was from
timeout.
Yoganandan Sendil Velan. And I think Gopal Pravakaran has kind of twisted his ankle. Looks like it, looks like it. He holds the knees and falls down. Jesus College.
तो में वो कह रहे थे कि भारत को नंबर 4 टेस्ट में मिल गया है और मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा था उनकी बात उस समय.
Totally, totally. As we just played like a champion, no doubt at all. Murthy going into the lobby, that did not matter. Another do or die raid. Daridhar Kandasamy Navnitya.
एब्सोल्युटली 14 और 13 का स्कोर है, 4 का घर है. धरनीधरन यार रेड लगाने आया, आसान सा टच, आसान सा टच. आप वॉक लाइन के बाहर अटैक मत करिए. डिफेंडर को
1 point
डिफेंडर
SRM
का काम है,
University,
खासकर
number
जब
6
5 या 4 का घर है.
The line is. It is like the bowler is bowling in the nets. Nobody watches where the no ball is. When the bowler bowls the nets, the coach or the captain or anybody or even the bowler does not bother about the line. He never ever bothers about the line. As Jaykant Jaishankar has got a point
1
now.
point PK Sports, number 28
Similarly,
out.
I have seen multiple. No, I am not making anything up because I've seen so many kabaddi teams. Importantly, the professional teams also. Back kick, Girivelan. Wow! Either two or die
1
raid.
point SRM
Right
University,
corner did
number
not go
11
to
out.
even scare Girivelan at all. Prashant Raman, the captain, Navneet was standing like a statue.
Wait.
And that is why Bhaskar and Yuvraj was staring at him when he goes back. Look at that. Look at where number 22 is. Right, we are contemplating whether Neethivel Thangavelu is a defender, but Prashant, what have you done, Prashant? The captain has stepped out of the end line, and that's the all-out PK Sports did not want. 2 raids back to back, Navneet.
2 plus 2,
Prashant
4
Raman
points.
has committed
SRM
big
University,
errors.
all out PK Sports.
One, he did not go to scare the raider away in the previous raid in a do or die raid, and now he himself has stepped out of the end line.
जी हाँ. ओह, क्या मूवमेंट है.
He's asking whose do or die raid it is. Okay, my God, all those experience that we speak of, this is a do or die raid for PK Sports. And Harivalaganaya forgot the number of raids. The cycle or die raid is so important. Ankle hold, Neethivel Thangavelu is saying, come on,
1 point SRM
Naveen.
University.
I am a defender like my elder brother. That's a second tackle point for the Saktivel family.
जी हाँ. और क्योंकि हम टाइम की चर्चा कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कबड्डी खेल खेला जा रहा है और बास्केटबॉल में भी कुछ ऐसा ही एक रूल है. 20
Attack you on that left corner. That's what Harivalaganaya also mentioned. Ah, that's a proper back hold. Was there a jersey pull involved?
Raider
Hang on.
out. 1 point SRM University.
No, raider out, they say. Raider out, they say. It's like going under the raider and having the back hold there, Navneet.
को 20-20 अटेम्प्ट्स मिलेगा रेड लगाने के लिए और पहला 6 अटेम्प्ट दोनों टीमों के लिए वो पावर प्ले होगा. पावर प्ले मतलब आपको पहले जो 6 रेड होंगे ना वो डू और डाई लगाने पड़ेंगे. 7वें रेड से नॉर्मल रेड शुरू
PK
होगा.
Sports.
जस्ट अ सजेशन.
My God. Oh my God. The just word is too strong as this is OT's Goodies super tackle.
Official timeout.
We'll come back to that. But there is another official timeout because the defender has gone down. Jayant Jaishankar.
तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप अपने जो रेट्स है वो प्रॉपर यूटिलाइज करिए 30 सेकंड तक. तो थोड़ा सा रूल्स चेंज करने से डायनेमिक्स चेंज हो जाते हैं, मुझे पता है. और बिल्कुल मैं 2020 रूल लाने की कोशिश कर रहा था.
That to be a strong left corner defender as well. Third tackle point for Saktivel's brother. That's nice. Neethivel Thangavelu has got his third tackle point. Do or die raid now for Surinder. Watch out, PK Sports. We'll come back to that fabulous discussion. Not a right work from Bhaskar and Yuvraj today.
Number 11 out.
Should have just not gone to it. And last few raids, last few second ages here for PK Sports. They need to at least concentrate on bringing the score difference down to 7 or less than 7. I don't think so that's happening. Yeah, so 80. First of all, what is the score difference? Now, with your mathematics, is it 7? Is it 7?
Exactly.
Match over.
Yeah. So PK Sports get 1 point out of this match. Okay, SRM University register the victory. That was side. Yeah, very